Okay, so the issue I seem to be having with my Mavic 2 Pro is that upon initial startup, the gimbal calibration sequence gets stuck. Looks like the back corner of the camera gets stuck on this piece up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and power it on. And right here is where it gets stuck. And it won't, until I push on it to get it past that point, it won't come back to center. So now I'm going to run a calibration sequence through Python using the joint course command. And enter. And that seems to work just fine. I can also do the linear haul command. Let me finish typing it in. And enter. And that seems to work as well. But for some reason, the initial calibration sequence doesn't behave like either one of these two. I'll show it to you again one more time. Powered off. Alright, and here we go. And it's stuck again. Any help would be greatly appreciated.